It's a beautiful morning drive. I just did a delivery. I find early mornings way better. They got everything blocked off in the traffic and stuff doing road construction now. September, October. It'll be all road construction. All summer it was home construction. I do live in a city. And that I sure know when I wake up every day and go out into the world, into this world. God has blessed me to keep me going with this channel. I really wanted to delete the whole thing. And especially lately, the spiritual oppression has been extreme. The pressure, all of that. But your comments, your encouragement, your love keeps me going. I thank God for you who subscribe and watch and comment and are thankful for what God is doing through this channel. Without that, I wouldn't keep going. I really wouldn't. I get very little views, but that's okay. I'm happy. I'm happy for that because we're not popular. When you look at it from an overall perspective, our message is basically it's shunned in the world. The truth, nobody wants the truth anymore. People want just falsehood and lies and deceptions and deceit and all the garbage. The media is just full of it. Like full of it. And you see it on YouTube. See, I mostly go on YouTube, but I try to ignore it. I don't listen to it. I have a few channels that I watch. Members of the Body of Christ who put out messages. Michael Knotts just put out a good video. Reading an article, Beyond the Eons by E.H. Clayton. I love that writing. Just some beautiful writing. And I do love good writers. Writers who bring it across. And an appreciation for God and His operation. Thankfulness that God is operating it all. And this is what it comes down to. As a believer, you trust in God. You don't trust in the world. The world offers nothing but oppression and depression and persecution, which we all receive as members of the body of Christ. Necessary for us to receive it, even though it's painful and hard to handle sometimes. Like me, as of late, I was like just almost like screaming, I want to just give up. But God's strength, what God does, is keep us going. Keep us going. Keep us surviving to the Lord's presence, our brother Christ, who is coming for His body, which is us. But today I just wanted to thank you all. Thank God and thank you all. And have a wonderful day. Grace and peace.